Welcome to Monday Magic, an AI-powered tool built on top of monday.com that transforms a simple prompt into a ready-to-use customized work solution. And the best part? It's free for all monday.com users. Let's see how easy it is to get started. All right, head to monday.com/magic to experience the fun. You'll notice we've got pre-built prompts for inspiration, but my recommendation? Create a little magic of your own. Let's say I'm in HR for a local city board, and I want to build an applicant tracking system complete with a directory, job openings, dashboards for reporting, and a form for applications. With my needs laid out, let's see how the magic happens. Right away, you'll see Monday Magic getting to work. And in no time, we have a fully built solution complete with boards featuring AI-powered columns, forms, and dashboards. There's even a solution overview doc complete with intended personas, features and user flows, and key building blocks. Back on the preview, with a point and ask button, I can check with Magic on the purpose of any column in the solution. And even more powerful, you can modify anything by simply asking for changes. Magic quickly understands my requests and adjusts the structure. Cool, right? No templates, no waiting, just AI bringing your vision to life. All right, ready to roll? Create your solution from here. For existing users, select which workspace to add the solution to and start using it instantly. It's collaborative and team ready from day one. And of course, you can customize anything afterward, just like any other monday.com workspace you're used to. And that's Monday Magic, an AI-powered fast track from idea to implementation. This was just one example of unlimited possibilities. Whatever industry you're in, build the work solution of your dreams in minutes by simply describing your needs. Experience the magic for yourself today.